Now in this video we are discuss about extended ACL. We have the scenario like this in standard ACLs. We have the same scenario and same conditions for discussing the extended ACLs. Our condition is we need to deny this particular network to communicate with this particular network, but this particular network can communicate to this particular network. We done it via standard ACLs. Now we are moving and we are configuring the same configuration for extended ACLs also. On these routers or this scenario we applied standard ACLs, so we need to delete these standard ACLs first. Go to your configuration, just type no IP access list, the number of the access list, that is 1 standard. We need to type the command 1. Now do show access list. There are no access list, you can see here. Show access list. There are no access list. We need to delete access list on this router also. Go to your enable mode, then configuration mode. Just type no IP access list standard 1. Just check show access lists. There are no access list. So now we are discuss about extended ACL. Go to your configuration mode. Then type access list. Here you need to type a number. If you are using 1 to 99, then it tells the router that this is the standard list. But now in this case we are using extended ACLs, so we need to use the number between 100 to 199. I am using here 100. Now you need to put deny or permit. I am denying. Now the thing is, what you need to deny: the AHP, the EIGRP packets, the ICMP packets. IP means any internet protocol. If you denied OSPF, only OSPF's packets, then type OSPF. If you deny the TCP packets, if you deny UDP packets, just type TCP and UDP. I'm denying all packets, it means I'm using here IP. Then you type the source address, and the source address is 192.168.1.0. Now you need to put the wildcard mask. If you want to use or if you want to deny only a single IP, then you need to here host, then the IP address of that particular host, like this 192.168.1.3. that is the IP of that particular host. So you can use the IP also with the host command, and if you are using the whole network, then delete this host command and just type the network with the wildcard mask. Now this next thing is destination address. The destination address is 192.168.2.0. You can also, here also you can use host command for a particular IP or a particular host, but in this case we are using a whole network with the wildcard mask. Now the next thing is DSCP predecessors. Now you need to put here EQ. Just I maximize the window for better viewing. I'm type EQ here. Now you can use DSCP and predecessors keywords here, but these are not part of CCNA. So for extended list, the command is this: access list, then the number, then deny or allowed statement, then IP. IP is used for, here you can see IP is used for any internet protocol. If you want a particular protocol like TCP, UDP, OSCP, EIGRP or any other protocol, then you can use TCP, UDP, OSPF, EIGRP or anything you want. Now the next thing is the source IP address with the wildcard mask, or you can use host then a particular IP address, then the destination address. If you are using network, then you need to put wildcard mask. If you are using the host IP address, then you need put host keyword here. Now press enter. This access list is applied. Now this access list is created. We need to apply this access list on the interface. So go to interface. Go to your interface. I'm applying this on this interface because we already discussed it's better to apply extended list as closer as possible to the source. So go to your FA 0 by 0. Now I'm applying the ACL. For applying the ACL, the command is IP access group. Now the number of the ACL. I'm creating ACL with 100 number. Just type 100. Now you use to in or out. So I'm using out here. Because this is a source, my source. I'm putting this address as a source. If this network is a source, then it send packet here. So I'm using IP access out here. You can see here these PCs are not communicating with each other. Now if I'm removing the ACL, then check no. I'm deleting the ACL also. No. Access list extended to show IP, do show access list. There are no access list. Now you can check these PCs can communicate with each other. This is all about extended ACLs. In extended ACLs, this command have many other features. Let's discuss about that features. create access list. The number of extended ACL list is from 100 to 199. I'm using 100. I'm denying only telnet service. Telnet, as I know, telnet uses TCP. Then just type here TCP. Now the source address, the source is 192.168.1.0 and the source wildcard is destination address is, and the wildcard for destination. Now the keyword is EQ. Here you see all TCP protocols. You can use port number also. You can use FTP if you want to deny FTP. If you want to deny telnet, then use telnet, or you can use telnet's port number, that is 23. I'm using 23 here. If you want to deny SSH, just type 22 because SSH have 22 as a port number. I'm using 23 here. You can deny any service like www or FTP or POP3 or SMTP or any other service that have particular port number. You just need to type the port number here. I'm typing 23. Why this command? The access list is created, that number is 100, that deny TCP packets. TCP packet, that source is this and the destination is this. In TCP packets, the port number is 23. It means the telnet packets are denied for this host and this destination. This is access list is created. You can check here, do show access list. But there is an implicit deny statement here that tells deny all other. So you put allowed statement for any other networks. Just type here allow. For allowing, the keyword is permit. Now you need to put here IP because any internet protocol is allowed after that particular deny statement. You need to type here the source. Source is any, and you need to type here the destination. Destination is also any. Now you can put enter. Now you see show access list. You see here, this is our deny statement and this is permit statement that permit any other network or any other protocol. So extended ACLs gives an opportunity to us or give an option to us to deny a particular protocol also, like protocol like SSH, DHCP, telnet or any other service that have a particular port number. You just need to know about that port number of that service. Now this is all about the extended ACLs. Now we move the third ACLs, or you can say the next flavor of the ACL, that is named mode of ACL.